Madan, okay, so you're a sensation, specifically in South India, of course, across India, but you have a very strong fan base in South India. And I've seen your YouTube page. Now, you are putting out some very serious content. It's very serious political content. How has that journey been for you?
First of all, I think it's informative. I won't get into politics. It's a very dangerous subject for me, I guess. So it's just information that I pass. And the lockdown has been pretty stressful in a way because, just before a few seconds, I got disconnected from this chat. Just like this, I think all of the influencers would be really pissed off if the internet connection, it just goes away. For the first time, we realized how much we are dependent on internet. I think it's just like our sixth finger now. We can't just live without it. So internet has been the biggest thing. It has been helping us connect, but at the same time, it's giving us so much stress.
No, but you're back with us, so we're glad that you managed to figure that out so that we can have this conversation. But Madan, what really has your focus been then, since the lockdown started? How has it been for you personally, the entire experience?
Personally, I live in Chennai, but basically my native is Madurai, so it's like different places in the same state in Tamil Nadu. But since the lockdown happened, I have had a chance in probably past 2 years to stay with my family for the first time. I almost forgot them, I guess. So it's like for the first time after becoming a YouTuber, I'm having a chance to interact with my family. And that I think is pretty much the best thing about this lockdown for all of us. We interact with our families, we learn to cook, we learn new dishes from our moms. And our moms are becoming great chefs these days. So they're always feeding us with great food. So it's like a family rebonding experience and it has been great. Yeah.
And in terms of creating your content, Madan, did you have a big team that was working with you on your scripts and helping you put it together? How has that process changed?
I have always been a single YouTuber. I mean solo YouTuber. I do not have a script writer. I do not have a team. So it's just me and my phone. And I have always been this way. I think I never really upgraded. So this lockdown has not really had a huge effect on my daily routine in posting a video.
But have you has your content changed a little? Is there some sort of different information that you're setting on? How are the people then, how are your subscribers receiving it as well?
So my subscribers are, they're really super cool with the aspect that I'm making videos every day. And the lockdown has given me so much information around us. It's just that before I used to cover various topics and today, the past 50 days, I'm just covering anything related to the COVID-19. So it has been stressful, but at the same time, the beauty of this whole conversation or even our interaction is that we find positivity in everything that is around us just by staying at home. Mm-hmm. So this is something I feel is very beautiful. Even today, I just made a video about how Africans are preparing to handle the pandemic. So it's beautiful how the smallest countries, how the people whom we really, the society has never really looked up, are actually moving the society now. A small person such as, not a small person, as someone as insignificant as a road sweeper is now the greatest hero of our country. So little things like this are helping us spread positivity and understanding how great it is to be in an era. And this is going to be something very important historically. So whatever we do is going to be very important. And it's very important for us as influencers to spread positivity during these tough times is what I see.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.